Hello everyone. This is an embedded system based internship project, microwave oven simulation. Myself, Rohit Godse from KJ College of Engineering and Management Research, Pune. So, these are the contents which are included in this project. First, we will see what is microwave oven, then requirements, then PIXIM lab, CLCD, matrix keypad, ISR, timer, software material used, project implementation, which is a demo. First, we will see what is microwave oven. A microwave oven is an essential kitchen appliance that uses microwave radiation to heat and cook food efficiently. This project aims to design a microcontroller based microwave oven system which embedded C programming. This system will integrate a timer, matrix keypad, and display unit to allow users to set cooking time, start or stop operations, and monitor the process in real time. So, in this project, we are implementing four modes. First is micro mode, second is grill mode, third is convection mode, and the last one is start mode. So basically, these are the requirements, which is MPLAB X IDE, that is integrated development environment for this project. Then XC8 compiler, then PIXIM lab. There are four components in this. So first is our microcontroller, PIC16F877A. Second is 16 by 4 CLCD. Third is matrix keypad, and fourth is timer 2. And this is our microcontrollers architecture, which is PICSIM lab architecture. So basically, PIC16F877A is the microcontroller we are using in this project. So these are the components which is in which we are using GPIO. Second is 12C RTC or double EEPROM. Third is LM35 temp sensor. Last is ADC. Then IS232 LEDs we are using in this, a buzzer, then digital keypad, some SSDs, matrix keypad, and CLCD. And now Virendra Swami will continue forward.
So hi there, this is Virendra Swami and I'll be continuing forward to character liquid crystal display CLCD. It is a type of LCD. CLCD is used to display ASCII characters and some special characters. A CLCD is used in our microwave oven project to display text-based information such as time, temperature, power levels, and cooking status. It provides a simple interface for users to interact with the system. We used a 16 by 4 CLCD in our project. There are two types of communication mode in this, an 8-bit mode and a 4-bit mode. Then so we are here on the matrix keypad. Here we have used a 4 by 4 with its 16 keys consisting of rows and columns, rows as inputs and columns as output. Each key press connects a row to a column, generating a unique signal. The keypad is interfaced with a microcontroller through GPIO. Now I'll be showing some of the working of the matrix keypad. The MPLAB IDE, which is used for writing and compiling the embedded C code for the microcontroller, and the PICSIM lab, which is a simulator where you can test the keypad input and observe how the microcontroller processes it. Now we are here at the ISR, which is also known as the interrupt service routine. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to a request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. When an interrupt occurs, the MPLAB completes the instruction executed, then it disables the global interrupt enable, places the address from the program counter on the stack. Now about the timers. A timer is an important application in an embedded system, which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in sync with the system clock or an external clock. The microwave requires a timer to count down the set cooking time. There are three types of timers, and they are specifically timer 0, timer 1, and timer 2. Now the software materials. Here we have used two software materials. The MPLAB XIDE version 5.35 and the PiximLab. The MPLAB, it is a software which is used to write the program, and the PiximLab, it is used to testing the output of the program. In that we use PIC16F877A microcontroller. So now I forward this to Niranjan Yadav, who will explain you the rest of the thing.
Hello, myself Niranjan Yadav. First, we have to build the project. We can see the project will build. Output is coming. Build successfully. Uh, the hex file has been created. Now we will open the Pixing lab. Now this hex file we have to dump in the Pixing lab. When we switch off the button, the display will be on. The screen will be open. This is the mini screen. The user has select the modes. There are different four modes: micro, grill, conventional, start. Uh, we select one micro. 900-watt power is selected. We have to set time. We set 10 seconds. There are two buttons, star or hash. Star has clear button, hash has enter button. We have to enter the number, so we enter. The oven has been started. We can see the timing is running. There are three different mode: start, pause, or stop. Start, stop, pause. We have to select second button, grill. We have to select time, enter. The grill will be started. Mm, we have to select three option, convention. We select 40 temperature, enter. There are time 60 seconds. We see time is end. We select 30 seconds, set timing. 1 minute, select, enter. the oven will work in this four concept. uh, Thank you so much.